off-leash canine training. And this is Penny. Penny is a 5-month-old Mini Golden Doodle. She was just dropped off by her dad for our famous 2-week board and train. So I get to play with her for the next 2 weeks, which I'm excited about. Since she's so young, come here. Yes, good girl. Since she's definitely still a puppy, she's got the usual puppy behaviors of trying to chew up everything. Dad said that she's been chewing up plants, so we're gonna have to work on that. But we're gonna, moving the camera, we're gonna see what she knows command-wise, and then we'll check back in 2 weeks. So, Penny, come. Yes, good girl. So come's all right. Good girl, yes. Definitely mouthy. Sit. And the jumping. Sit. Sit. Good. Good girl. Down. 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 Okay. Place. 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 Penny, here, 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 here. Not so much on the heel. She's kind of everywhere. A puppy, excited, wants to explore everything. So that's where we're at command-wise. I mean, she's young, so she needs some work, but we're gonna have fun learning. And so we'll check back in 2 weeks and see her progress. Good girl. That's good girl.